back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing some happy mail that I received from Cynthia, so we are going to be unboxing it. I'm super excited. Every time she sends me mail, it's definitely as if planner supplies fell from heaven because it is always a ton. So she sent me a pretty big medium-sized box, and I already cut the lid open just because both of our addresses on there and I want to make sure I keep that private. But here we go. This is the box. As you can see, it is pretty tall and it's about this big and it's so cute. So it has a letter right here, a card. It says LOL Queen. That's a cute sticker. Love the color of the envelope. And I always keep the cards. Every time I get sent a card, I always like to keep them. So this is what the card looks like. It's a nice pastel tone. And then it just says, this is the new and old quarantine box, oldies but goodies, LOL, enjoy, love, Cynthia. She's so sweet. She's always thinking of me and she's always sending me mail, and my planner and craft supplies has definitely grown because of her and partially because of her, and I'm just so grateful. And my puppy is so funny. He just got on top of the table to give me a kiss. He's so cute. I love him. Love you, Hershey. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna put the box to the side, but look at how cute this is. It is jam-packed to the top. So let's go ahead and just start opening everything and just taking everything out one by one. So the first thing I see here are some gallery prints by Heidi Swap. So they just look like prints that you can put on a picture frame to decorate your planner and craft area, which is super fun. Definitely gonna save these so that when I have my planner area one day, or if I decide to put more holes in the wall, then I can put up the frames. But here we go. This is what they look like. They're so cute. I love them. I love the color. I love this navy blue one right here. So pretty. So thank you, Cynthia. And then next we have some super fun Halloween borders. These are adhesive borders. They're by Kelly Panachi. They're super fun. I love these. You can definitely cut these up and use them in your planners. So, you know, definitely when you're planning and crafting, think outside the box, and if you think you can use it, then go ahead and use it. So this is definitely something fun. It has little ghosts in the back. I can already tell I would like this little one with the spider and the wording. And then you got the pumpkin. So this is super cute. There's also a bat border in there. I love that. I'm so excited. I can't believe how close the holidays are getting. So next we have some pen and highlighters. So these are super cute. She's always sending me some super fun prints. I love these. And these are 3 ballpoint pens, and they are, I believe, in the black ink, but you get 3 different colors. I love this one with the soft pink. Even this bright yellow is gorgeous. This one is pretty. And then over here we have the matching highlighters. So these are super cute. I love them. Alright, and then next we have some let's see, some Paper Studio lettering. So we got the E and the C. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love that for my initials. I love that. And this is like the silver bling. These are so cute. Definitely could use them for like tan covers. Then we got some fun gold paper clips. I love these. These look super fancy and they look like really like nice and sturdy. And you got the little cactus plant. So super cute. How fun are these? Then we have the regular pineapple shaped paper clips. I love to use these in my TNs. So like whenever I make TNs to sell, I like to put these in there because I think these are a fun way to hold the page down when you're taking like Instagram pictures, and they look cute. So why not, right? So I like these. I love them. I use those all the time. So thank you, Cynthia. Next we have a super cute flamingo pom-pom pen. You guys know pom-poms are my obsession and flamingos are one of my obsession too, so combine both in one, you got the best pen in the world. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, and it's pink. It's so pretty. This is definitely going into my collection on display. I love that. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Alright, next we have a super cute lip smacker. This is the Sum Tum. I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. But this is so cute. I think she's Ariel, right? I'm pretty sure she's Ariel from The Little Mermaid. How cute is this? You guys, chapstick is one of my favorite things. I cannot live without chapstick. I will never survive without chapstick. Oh, there we go. She is Ariel. She's so cute. So you take out the top and then you got the lip balm. Oh my gosh. I love this. Definitely gonna use that. Alright, so next she sent me some super fun washi tape. Let's go ahead and take these out. So we got some beautiful florals. These are gorgeous. Anything that's floral is always amazing. These are beautiful. I love these. And then here we got some DT washi tape. These look like little cake pops. They're so cute, or like little balloons. Then we got some gorgeous washi tape by Marquee Love. This is like a silver and white bling. I love that. These are good for like fancy cards. And then we got the black one as well. I don't have a lot of black washi tape, so I love that combination. And then we have the turquoise with the polka dots. Look at how pretty that is. I love these. Super nice. Thank you so much, Cynthia. All right, next we have some little planner and journal books. So you guys know I love to make my TNs, and Cynthia has been totally hooking me up with the notebooks, and I've just loved using them. So these are super fun. These are really cute. These are like little notebooks, and they're 4 inches by 6 inches. You get 3 sets. You get 3 different prints. You get a rainbow print, then you get the butterfly and the unicorn. This one's super cute. I love the size. It's like a little larger than a pocket size, but it's so pretty. Then we have this one. How fun is this? This is the pineapple with the BFF, and then the middle one is like watermelons and donuts and stuff. That is so cute. I love that pineapple with the sunglasses. Oh my god, then we have this one with the koala. That is super cute. You got the koala, then you got the lions or the tigers in the middle, and then these, I forgot what you call these, but super cute. I love the color. I love how fun these are. Then we have another one right here. This is a unicorn, a dream catcher, and then what's the one in the middle? I can't really see. It looks like a feather with a quote. But super cute. I love these. These are so fun. Thank you, Cynthia, for always thinking of me and sending me all these amazing goodies. Then we have some K & Company embellishments. I love this. This brand has a lot of good embellishments. These are really cute, and you get a ton of them. As you can see, these are super fun to decorate like cards or just happy mail or your planners or anything in general. These are super cute. So she sent me a pack of 2. I love that. More than one is great because then you get to use it, especially if there's like a certain style that you like, then you know you'll have double. So really cute. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for sending those. Love it. I always love receiving happy mail from her. Alright, so she sent me some more of these Recollections planner books. I love these because they actually have the planner. They have the little planner book, then they have the grid dot and the blank book. This is the mermaid set. I love this one. This one is the ocean set with the mermaid in the middle. Today is the day. That's a great one. And then the unicorn or unicool with the yay and the unicorn. I love it. This one in the middle. That's my favorite. So I got some more backup. Love these. I'm actually going to start, I was thinking about making maybe like a couple of TNs to start selling. I haven't really been to Michael's, but I definitely have a lot of merchandise here in my house that I can use to create TNs. So I was thinking of making like maybe like 6 of them to start selling again and get back into that selling mode and just kind of get back into what I like to do. You know, I love creating, and I feel like it'll help me regain my crafty energy as well. So hopefully if I do, I will let you guys know, so that, you know, I know you guys like to buy my TNs and I'm so grateful, and even so you guys just like when I share them, so thank you for that. Alright, so here we have some more goodies. Over here we have some more foil pocket cards by Heidi Swap. These are always fun. These are like little quote cards. I love to use little quote cards when I'm putting them in the pockets in my TNs. So these are fun. You can also put these in like pocket letters. You can put them in like little envelopes, just like as a little fun reminder. So these are super cute. I love those. Thank you. And then here we have a little list pad. I like using list pads for my groceries, or just for if I have to go to Target or something, and I just kind of like to check things off. But this is the Pause and Enjoy Life. I love that it has the little dog, the furry friend. You guys know I have a little Hershey baby, so anything that's dog related, I love it. Works for me. Alright, next we have some sticker books and some stickers. These are some alpha stickers by Sticko. I love that brand. These are super cute. They're like what do you call them? Like in cursive. Then we have the little astronaut. I have not used these yet. I'm dying to use this sticker book. I have like I think like 2 sets or so, but I love these. These are so cute. So she sent me another backup. Super fun. I love having this. Here we have another llama backup as well. Really, really cute. And then we have the tropical theme one. I have this one as well. This is a backup, so super cute. I actually love these right here. These bold ones. These are like my favorite ones. And then here we have this fun set. This is kind of like a spring summer fun set. Super cute. I love these. And I don't mind using the same stickers. I've done it all the time because I always change out the layout, which is what makes it fun. So these are super cute. I love these. Thank you so much, Cynthia, for always hooking me up with backup. And then she sent me a new eyeglass pouch. I actually don't have this one. If you guys remember, Diane sent me the like entire set of these. I want to say almost the entire set, and I love them. I actually like to change them out with my sunglasses, and then I've actually also used them to put pens inside as like a pen pouch because they're like nice and narrow. So this is a new one added to my collection. I love it. It has the llamas. She is just so fabulous sitting down with her like tassel chain. So cute. I love that. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Alright, next we have some, I want to say stickers, but let's go through the books. I think there's books in here first. So here we have another like notebook. This is just like a regular notebook to write notes on, and I've been using these for work. I write down all of my notes for pending appointments and just a whole bunch of stuff that I need to remember. So I've been using these, and these have been so fun. I actually already went to like I actually already went through about 3 or 4 of them, and I'm using a really thick one now, so that one's gonna take me a little bit to finish, but these are super fun. So I love this one. I love the color combination as well. It's a really pretty one. And then she also sent this one. These are all doggies. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. You got the Dalmatian, the Poodle, the Hound. This is a gorgeous notebook. I love this one. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this one. I love how bendy it is. I love the paper. Super cute. And it has like a little gold page marker. Then we have this one. This is the one with the little astronaut. Yes, you guys know I love everything with the solar system. This is so cute, and it's a little panda. Oh my goodness, that is adorable. I love the blue lining. So pretty. Alright, and then we have this one. This is just a regular journal. It has 50 sheets, and it's a pineapple, and it's by Crown Jewels. Super, super cute. I love that. And I think that usually the bottom has like a little pineapple. So that's really cute. Alright, next we have a set of pens. These are so pretty. I love the design for these. And then you open them like this. Look at how cute that is. These are so cute. I love these. Cynthia, thank you so much. These are super pretty. I love those. Alright, next we have some stickers. So here we have this one. These are puffy stickers. These are super cute. I love those. Then we have a pocket folder that you can put into a tian. That is so pretty. I love how that looks. Then we have some, oh my gosh, these are amazing. I love these. These stickers, she was the very first one to send this brand to me with these kind of like clear stickers. and I'm obsessed with them. I love them. These are by the Paper Studio, and they're clear stickers. These are Faith True Peace. These are gorgeous. These are some fun, like flamingo ones. Look at how cute that is. Then we got the LOL. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Then we have this super fun summer one. I love that. We got these 3D little llamas. That is the cutest thing ever. And then here we have some Project Life note cards. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love the color combination. God knows I've been needing some new ones for my TNs, but because I have so many, I've been trying to use them all. Look at how pretty these are. I love this one, just a little note. Here we have another set. That is so cute. This is a black and gold theme. Then here we have another set right here. This is like a pink, a purple pastel tones. So pretty. These are gorgeous. I love these. And then we got some enamel dots. You guys know I love to use those. And these are in a royal blue. I'm gonna like hoard these for a long time. And then we got some cute gummy bear stickers. How cute are that? Oh my god, I love those. It's super, super cute. Cynthia, you're always picking me up. Thank you so much. I say it all the time, but it's so true. So here we have some super fun butterflies. These are good for like crafting and just decorating planner spreads. Then we got some alphas. Super, super cute. I love the color and the prints. Then we have another set of the black and white. Love that she sent double of these. Super cute. So then we have these gorgeous stickers. These are like florals, dandelions, I think that's what it is. Then we have these like chalkboard type of stickers. Super cute. Then we have this one. Oh my goodness, that scooter. Do you guys see that scooter? That is the cutest thing ever. Then we have this set right here. These I don't have for sure, so I'm excited. New stickers. And then this set I already have. I've already used quite a bit. I love them. And then here we have some more backups of these. So we got this set right here. How cute. And then there's this one right here with the cupcake and the dessert theme. I've used this for like Valentine spreads. This one I don't have. This one's gorgeous. I love the color combination. Oh, look at the bathing suit and the sun and the beach ball and the airplane. That is so cute. And then this one I want to say I don't have. Nope, I don't have this one. Love that. Super, super cute. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That's everything that Cynthia sent me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Truly hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to give Cynthia a huge shout out in the comments down below. Let her know she's the bomb. And as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're new and you decided to join my channel, thank you so much. I'm so happy to have you with me. Welcome. So everybody, please welcome our new subscribers in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.